Today we're doing rainforest and jungle type animals. So if you've ever been to the rainforest part of the zoo, you know that sometimes you can hear monkeys. So that's what we're going to do. Draw a big circle. We're just going to do the monkey head this time. And then an oval here. That's going to be his cheek. You need 2 circles on the side of the head. An eye. And then the other eye. Just like that. Now do an M type shape. Right there with 2 little dots. That's the nose. I'm sure you've all drawn a smile before. So give your monkey a big smile. Now what I like to do is trace around and do like a big M up there and trace around again. Now we're just tracing around again. For monkeys, I like to put a little swirl in each ear. But you don't have to if you don't want to. One thing there's definitely a lot of in the rainforest is frogs. So we're going to do a cute little frog today, starting with an oval. And then 2 circles. Just like that. Now we're going to do a bigger oval. And another oval here. Now go ahead and bring a line out, 2 of them actually, and then another. It's just like before whenever we did the paws, but we're doing it a little bit backwards. Just like that. Now each arm is going to get 3 dots at the end. Well, 3 little ovals rather, not dots. I'm going to connect them here. I promise it's easier than it looks. You're just going around and bringing it back. Now trace this hind leg around, trace the back, just like that. Almost like you're putting a little corner here, because frogs have those big back legs. Now for the head, we're going to trace around it a bit so we can see what we're doing. Here go 2 eyes. Frogs have pretty big eyes. Little nose. It's just 2 lines. And then a smile. Now, one of the most common birds in the rainforest is the toucan. You guys have seen toucans probably on the box of Fruit Loops. Let's do a circle, and then a tall oval, just like that. Now for the beak, we're going to bring a line out, And then we're going to start another line going back. So we're going to go up and then back. Almost like a banana. That monkey would have loved that banana, huh? Now we're going to do an eye here. You can fill it in if you want. We're going to connect these two. Got to give them a wing. So you just bring it down, almost like this shape again. Just like that. And then connect it. Now we got to give them some tail feathers. So kind of like what we did with the frog. I'm going to start it out and then go back. And you can just do that a few times for however many feathers you want. I'm going to give mine 4. You can give him 100 if you want. Now he doesn't look like much of a toucan right now. That's because we got to give him his markings. So little oval shape here, and color it in. We're going to come around just like that, and then around like that. Now make this a rounder line, and then color this side. I'm just going to fill mine in with a pencil, but if you have something lying around, you can do that too, like a crayon.
If you had crayons, what color would you color it?
I'd color it black. Most toucans are black here, but you'd be surprised that some of them are actually red. Just like that. Now we're just going to put a little line between the beak and the head, and we're going to darken it toward the top. Make it a little bit thicker. Now you just trace around again. And you've got a toucan.